All right, example 2. This is not a glide reflection. We're going to do a rotation about 180 along the origin, which is good because we have rules for that. And then we're going to translate. So let's start off with that 180 rotation. They have the rule right here. We are going to go ahead and switch all of the XY points and, sorry, not switch them, switch the sign of them. Okay. Luckily, they have them all listed out here. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly change the signs to opposite. And then 2, 1. Okay, so that's one way that you can do it. And you can go ahead and put that on your graph. So let's go ahead and do that. So 6, 2, 5, 5, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. Obviously, that is a rotation 180 degrees. Turned it 180, went like that. Okay. If you wanted to, you can get away with not having to draw that middle step. You can try and do as much of the just changing the points as you can. There's nothing wrong with drawing the picture and then counting over where you need to be. However, since we're doing a translation next, we're going to go ahead and do a -2 to all the x's. So that means I'm subtracting 2 to all the x's. And then we're going to do a 4 to all the y's, which means I'm adding a 4 to all the y points. And those are going to get us our new points pretty easily. Now, you can still count. Like, you can count -2 and then up 4 and get your new graph just fine. But I want to show you this other way on how to do it too. So my new point for A, and they do use double primes, I didn't see that on the last one, is going to be 4, 6. And then B is going to be 3, 9. C is going to be 0, 5. Okay. A good way to double check this, graph it, see if it looks like the original one. I mean, that's the only way that you really know that you did it right. So once again, you can count if you wanted to, but you could also just plot out these points as well. 4, 6. We're going to get pretty crowded in here. 3, 9, 0, 5. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And there we go. So super important that you try and draw out your points, whatever they are, label everything. So we have C, we have A, we have B. So you can tell the red one we turned, the blue one we slid up. And that's what it should look like, a turn and then a slide.